This is my Subaru BRZ. It's a 2020 that I recently picked up and actually sold my NA Miata for. This car is completely stock. It is a 2017 Plus, which is the Koki model, which came with this new front bumper, these headlights, new taillights, as well as this wing that I'm not actually a big fan of, and some slightly upgraded interior. It now has buttons on the steering wheel and this BRZ logo on the seats with this Alcantara center. This is a Subaru BRZ Limited with the performance package. So it gets the factory big brake Brembo kit as well as the 17-inch wheels. Still the same Prius tires though. Like I said, this thing is completely stock, which we're going to be changing today. Normally the first thing I would replace on a car is the suspension, but what I forgot to mention is that the performance package on the BRZ actually came with upgraded sax dampeners, so it feels pretty good. The one thing it is lacking though is sound.
Oh, very easy.
That was much easier than I thought. There it is.
We'll do the back too for good measures. Oh shit. That's gonna be so hard to get off.
These are a royal pain in the ass.
Can WD-40 blind you? There we go. Beautiful.
That's all we need.
Beautiful. Oh, got it. Oh. Alright, do the other side.
Needle noses are stuck.
Huh?
My pliers are stuck.
No way.
Fucking hangers are so annoying. And these are the only pliers we have.
Oh, keep going, keep going. Oh!
Is it out?
I got one.
Both?
No, just one.
Oh.
Alright. Wait, what?
They both out?
They both came out at the same time.
Oh, I got it.
Just
Dude, just dragging your ass.
Look, I'm with you.
It's out.
That took so long. Actually, it didn't take that long.
It didn't. It was just the hangers were a bitch.
Yeah.
There's nothing under here except for the front pipe. I've decided to go with the GReddy Revolution RS. It's a single exit, 3-inch, like a 4.5-inch tip. It's massive. Should be much louder and sound much better.
What you're looking at here is our down pipe. That's what it's called. Dude, what you're looking at here is our mid pipe. We're gonna slap this puppy in this way and put that hanger on. And then this one will be nice and secure. And then what we're gonna do next, put this on after, slap some bolts in the end of that, put them together with the gasket or two. And then we'll be all good to go. And we'll put some hangers on, and then we'll start this bad boy.
Not a tutorial, but I saw in another video that there's two different kinds of exhaust gaskets. One, it deletes the donut gasket that you get from the front pipe. That has smaller hardware, so this will go over there, and this will go in between here. And then these are smaller, so they'll be for the front as well. That's the front, that's the back.
Danger!
Hello, mama. We're doing this with like minimal clearance.
Yeah.
So we tried using the spring bolts factory with the donut gasket, and then we saw that GReddy recommends using their composite gasket, and I didn't know that you could just kind of take this off. I used the pliers to kind of get along the edge of it to push it out, and it came out just fine. So we're gonna use the factory, or I mean the GReddy hardware now. Can you actually hand me that shit? That is. I'm just gonna leave it hand tight so we have more wiggle room until the end, and now we can put the main piece of the puzzle on. Alright, we don't need this. We do need this. No! Okay, she's in there. There we go. Good. There you go. You want a little tip from a airplane mechanic?
Yeah.
Only tighten with the ratchet on the nut, not the bolt.
Ah.
If you can afford to.
Wait, why is that?
It's like better for the threads.
I see.
Doesn't really matter, but if you can.
No, I'm gonna have to do it anti-airplane.
Downtown, walking fast, crawling under my car. Oh, god damn it.
No.
I have to use Google now. Alright. First start time.
Ow. Droney though.
Yeah.
I was scared that I wanted it to be louder, like right away. But, but I'm fine right now. And this is just like casual throttle, like normal driving. Dude, but it's so like you can't even hear the outside. It's like all inside.
Dude, this. I feel like a menace in this car. Like I feel like driving down the street. It's just like, just.
Past week that I've owned the exhaust now, I've gotten pretty used to the drone on the inside and how loud it is. On the outside, it's actually not very loud. The cold start is very aggressive, but after that it's not overwhelmingly loud exhaust. Very drony on the inside still, to the point where you can't really hear what it sounds like on the outside enough, because the buzzing on the interior almost takes over that sound. From the outside though, this is the first time I've heard it like actually driving past me, and it sounds amazing. I couldn't be happier with the sound. It doesn't sound raspy at all. It has a nice deep growl to it. So overall, I'm very happy with it. It sounds much better than stock, and I don't think I need to add anything yet for sound. Now I want to focus more on the cosmetic stuff of the car at first before we do anything performance related yet. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's see what we do next. That's like the best way to insert this pipe.
Tell me the best way to lay this pipe.
Sir.
Hey, how are we gonna lay this pipe here?
Oh yeah, it might be smart with gloves because greasy hands, I'm